Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today is December the 31st, and if you're watching me around the New Year's, Happy New Year to all of you. And today I'm going to be unboxing the Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses Gen 2. This is not a deep review because I'm going to be showing you what's inside the box and the cool features that you actually care about. Okay, so here is the box, and as you can see, the packaging already feels premium, very Ray-Ban-y. So let's go ahead and open this. This is the charging case, and it looks like a regular Ray-Ban case, which I actually love. It's compact, magnetic, and charges the glasses when they're not in use. These are not regular Ray-Bans. These are smart glasses that can record, play music, take calls, and no one even knows. Let's unbox the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 and Sapphire Blue. And here they are, the Meta Ray-Ban Gen 2 Wayfarers. From the outside, they just look like stylish Ray-Bans, but inside, they're packed with technology. So you're going to go ahead and download the Meta AI app, and then you're just going to follow the instructions on your screen on the application, and with just regular Bluetooth pairing, you will connect the glasses to your phone. Instantly connects to my phone, and I can hear that something tung, it's connected, right? And as soon as I take them out, disconnected totally. Let's put them back on. Connected. I know that the ones that are black or with the black frame, they're very popular right now, but I wanted to take something which looks actually different than the normal eyeglasses that I wear. So I got these ones, which I think look stunning. These are in the shade Sapphire Blue. They're lightweight, comfortable, and honestly, they just look like regular Ray-Bans. No weird bulk, no tacky look. I love that I can capture moments without pulling out my phone every time. It's subtle, it's stylish, and it feels very future ready. So everything is controlled by this, you can see, right? It's literally nothing, but when I touch it, I hear like the haptic noise. So tap, tap, I can hear the tap. So if I want to listen to music, I can just simply do play and pause. If I want to increase the volume, so all I have to do is swipe like this, and on my screen, on my phone, I can see the volume going up and down. I'm going to show you in a moment. This is full volume. If I want to reduce, just have to go like this. Now see, you see how when I'm moving, like I'm using the volume control on the arms, this is how it's showing on my phone. So if I want to talk to somebody and if I want to hear music, whatever I want to do, I don't have to plug in anything in my ears. These arms have built-in speakers, so that's another cool feature. If I want to take somebody's phone call, they have built-in microphone. So I have this model, which is obviously different from the ones that you're going to see in the market. I don't know if you notice, as soon as I put them on, the color of the lenses is actually darkening. So I have these transition lenses. So if I go out, they're just going to act like as regular sunglasses. And if I'm indoor, I'm just going to move my camera here. So you see how they're slowly becoming transparent. So it's a really cool feature. I think anybody who's looking to look different outside, and of course if you want to record with these Meta glasses indoor, then this is a good idea to get transition glasses. Now, I do have a little bit of power in my eyes, so I wear my regular glasses. So if you're somebody who really want to keep them on always, or you can always go online on Ray-Ban and look up prescription glasses. So I got this a little like a QR code that says, want your AI glasses with prescription lenses? Scan the QR code for a list of participating location. So yeah, you have the option to do that. So I might in the future consider it depending on my usage of these glasses, and obviously if I do, I will let you guys know. So I'm gonna go out and use this cool feature of recording.
So now on the Meta AI app, you can customize your video quality. So I'm going to go on media and go to video settings. Now the outdoor videos that I'll be shooting today, I am going to deliberately show you guys at 1080 ATP at 30 frames per second, like the lowest quality. It's full HD though, because I just want to say if we go HD how bad or good it is. So I just stepped out and you can see the lens is darkening because now it's acting as my sunglasses. Now if I wanted to start recording, all I have to say is, hey Meta, start recording. So you see how it's flashing? This shows that the camera is in action. Let me show you. If I start like this and move my move my head so fast, you'll see the difference. Like you'll see how fast the whole video is. But if I'm going to be like normal, like how I'm talking to you guys, just like normal. So it really matters, this like the motion of your head, how it is, and it has an inbuilt microphone, so whatever voice you're hearing from this built-in mic. So right now it's actually recording me while I'm recording myself for you guys. Okay, that's my cute dog there.
One thing that I learned is this is not your phone, because when you have your phone, you have control, and you can be like slow or you can be fast depending on how you want it. So if you are a content creator or if you want to use this for vlogging, you need to be mindful that these are actually going to act as your eyes, and obviously the faster you move, the weird the recording would be. So it takes a little bit of practice. So I
want to test the high K, the 3K resolution. Now I put this, and then here I can also select the duration of the video I want for 1 minute or 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna choose. It's a beautiful, bright, sunny morning. It's January 1st today, and I'm recording this with my Meta sunglasses. And the quality that you're seeing right now is 3K. So this is the highest resolution it can offer. I showed you the clip where there was no daylight and it was the lowest resolution, 1000 ATP. And now this is the most clear one with sunlight. So I'm just gonna say, hey Meta, stop recording. You see? I love how it listens to you right away. Sometimes with AI, you're like, hey Siri, or if you have an Android, hey Bixby. Like, you're like, sometimes they listen to you, sometimes they don't. I mean, they are always listening to you, but when you want, of course not. So I do love that how instantly it pops up. Okay, so let me show you a very cool feature. I'm on the app right now, the Meta AI, and you can customize the settings as per your preference. So I'm just going to go on voice, and so you know how we say hey Meta, so the AI voice you can customize as per your preference. So there's so many options, and look at this celebrity AI voices that are available. I'm going to play this John Cena.
How are you doing? I'm Meta AI. I'm here to chat, answer questions, create images, and provide advice and inspiration. Let's do it.
Isn't that great? And Look, if you are a Bollywood fan and you like Deepika,
Nice to meet you. I'm Meta AI. I'm here to chat, answer questions, create images, and provide advice and inspiration.
So I do have friends who own Gen 1, and I did a little bit of comparison between Gen 1 and Gen 2. So if you're still looking or confused which one to buy, I would highly recommend buying Gen 2. It has better audio, smoother touch control, and overall a very refined quality. If you're upgrading or buying your first pair, I highly recommend going for Gen 2. And it can actually record what I'm saying, it can play music, I can take calls, and trust me, the feature where I can take calls or play music without having to put something in my ear, oh my god, it's a luxury, because it's like I'm working on my computer and I'm like, I can still listen to the music. I have a little pimple right here, and if I put like my AirPods or anything, it hurts. But now I don't have to because I have these. Well, smart tech that doesn't look like tech. Well, that's Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2 for you. If you like this unboxing video, do not forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel. Now, since I've got them and I create content, I will be using them a lot. So in the coming videos, I will show you how in the real content creation world I'm going to use it. I will love shooting my POV videos with these, especially when I'm outdoor. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, and once again, Happy New Year.